Hi, I'm Dr. Kirti and today I'll be talking about dental education for kids. To begin with, why are teeth so important? After all, they are just teeth, right? There are much more important organs in human body to worry about than these silly teeth. But no. Human teeth are very much important as they not only perform the function of chewing and eating food, but they also perform some other important functions such as speaking and looking good. Can you imagine your mouth without teeth? It's funny, right? So before moving ahead further, I would like to ask, do you know how many teeth do we have in our lifetime? We humans have a total of 52 teeth in a whole lifespan. Those who thought 32 teeth might have forgotten to add 20 milk teeth. So let me tell you about the parts of a tooth. A tooth is composed of outermost layer called as enamel, followed by dentine, and the inner layer is called as pulp. Pulp is the lifeline of the tooth as it contains important blood supply. So let me ask you one interesting question here. Do you know which is the strongest part of the body? It's not the bones or the muscles, it's the tooth enamel. Fascinating, right? So depending on the appearance and function, the teeth are classified into incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors are the front teeth and they are blunt, so they are used for biting and cutting food such as apples. Canines are little sharper, so they are used for cutting and tearing food such as meat. Premolars and molars are the back teeth, so they are used for tearing, grinding, chewing of food. So let me ask you some interesting questions here. Do you know which is the last tooth to appear in the mouth? Wisdom teeth is the last teeth to appear in the mouth. Do you know why it is called as wisdom tooth? It is called so because it appears at an age of 17 to 21 years, the very age at which the human are supposed to be little wiser. So what happens when we don't take care of our precious teeth? There is something called as cavity or a tooth monster which attacks our teeth and eats it up. So what is a cavity? A cavity is nothing but a hole that appears on the tooth surface and it grows bigger and deeper over a period of time if it's not taken care of. So now the question arises, what causes cavities? When we eat sugary and sticky foods such as chocolates, ice creams, chips, it combines with the bacteria in our mouth and it produces acid. As the name suggests, it's very harmful. When it combines with the tooth, it causes cavities. So how to fight with these cavities? You should follow the rule of 2. It's nothing but you should visit your dentist twice a year, that is once in every 6 months. You should brush your teeth once in the morning, once in the night. The brushing time should be for at least 2 minutes. Most importantly, while brushing, you should take help from your parents if your age is below 7 years. Always use a fluoridated toothpaste. Don't forget to spit it out. Do not swallow at any cost. Use a soft bristled toothbrush. Now let me tell you how to brush your teeth. First, wet your toothbrush and apply toothpaste. The toothpaste should be applied according to the age. If the age is less than 2 years, it should be smear sized or rice grain sized. If the age is around 2 to 5 years, it should be of pea sized. If the age is above 5 years, it can be regular in amount. After applying, you should brush your teeth. Each teeth should be brushed 10 times in a circular motion and don't forget to cover the front, back and the top part of the teeth as these are the germs' favorite hiding spots. Do not miss any of the surface. So after brushing, you should clean your tongue also and rinse your mouth, spit the remaining toothpaste and at last don't forget to floss. So let me tell you how to floss. Use about 18 inches of floss with each end wound around your middle fingers. Slide the floss between the teeth, rub it back and forth, up and down and don't miss any teeth, even the teeth at the back. Always change your toothbrush once in every 3 months. Don't wait for it to become a witch's broom, just change it. Eat a healthy diet containing a lot of fruits, vegetables, nuts, dairy items, eggs, etc. and avoid starchy, sugary and sticky diets such as chocolate, ice creams, cold drinks, etc. And don't forget to rinse your mouth every time you eat. So let me tell you the secret of healthy and happy teeth. You should brush your teeth twice daily and floss at the end. You should eat a healthy diet, well-balanced diet and visit your dentist once in every 6 months.